Monkeys are not domesticated animals. There's a lot about their behavior which people just don't understand. For example, you see images of a grinning primate sold on birthday cards and mugs and stuff like that. But the fact is that's not a happy look. That's kind of like an appeasement or a fear look. So there are many, many things about them that just don't work in a domestic setting, such as diet, for example, which can be really difficult. So here at the sanctuary we try and feed the monkeys a balanced diet of the same carbohydrates, fats, sugars that they would actually be getting in the wild, because their bodies have evolved over hundreds and thousands of years to be perfectly in tune with the rainforest, that environment in the wild. We do find that they've often been fed lots of processed human type foods such as chocolate biscuits, jelly babies, sweets and things that are highly inappropriate for them and do in fact make them very sick and in turn often cause that type 2 diabetes that we see. Type 2 diabetes is diet related and the sugar damages the body in a way that the pancreas can no longer produce insulin effectively to balance the sugar levels in their bodies. So one of the first things we can see in diabetic monkeys is obviously the blood test, and we can do a urine test with a dipstick as well to test for glucose levels in the urine, but we also can see very, very sticky fur because the sugar is excreted through the pores of the skin, and that's the way of the body trying to get rid of that excess sugar. Unfortunately, in some situations they do need medication, and some of our monkeys now have medication 4 times a day for the rest of their lives. So I'm just making up the glipizide for the diabetic capuchin monkeys now. This is a human oral diabetes medication. Not quite as simple to give it to them as we would a human. We would just swallow it with a bit of water. Of course the capuchins don't like anything that doesn't taste very nice. So we have lots of ways to sort of hide it and encourage them to take it, because obviously it's very vital for their well-being that they do take this. And one of those is crushing the tablet up and hiding it inside a grape. We do tend to be able to manage their condition fairly well with this medication that we give them, but type 2 diabetes can cause many serious health problems, including heart problems, problems with the other organs, and even the death of tissue in the extremities, in the fingers and toes. So the diabetes is just one of many challenges that these rescue monkeys face, and the reason that they need care from us at the Monkey Sanctuary for the rest of their lives. There isn't a single monkey that comes into us that comes into ecologically and or physically damaged as a result of the pet trade. It's just not good for you, it's not good for them, it's not good for conservation for them to be kept in people's homes. They're not cats and dogs. That's it.